Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Airtable base templates for custom app interfaces, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Airtable homepage. If you don't have an account, click on sign up in the top right corner to create one. If you already have an account, click on log in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Airtable dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the Templates option in the top navigation bar. Click on Templates to access the Airtable template library. You will see a variety of pre-made templates organized by categories. Browse through the categories to find a template that suits your project needs. Click on a template to view its details and see how it can be customized. When you find a template you like, click on the Use Template button. This will prompt a new interface to create a base with the selected template. Airtable will ask you to name your base. Type in your desired name for the new base and click Create. Your new base will open in a new tab, showcasing the pre-filled tables and fields. You can now begin customizing your template by adding your own data. Feel free to modify any fields or tables according to your requirements. Explore the different views such as grid, calendar, and Kanban to visualize your data. Once you're satisfied with your changes, remember to save your work. You can access your Airtable bases anytime from the dashboard. Now you're ready to build and customize your own app interface using Airtable's templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.